Welcome to this body scan meditation. Let's begin with gentle movements to help your body relax. Start by moving your head slowly. Tilt it to one side, then to the other. Repeat. Roll your shoulders forward and backward. Let them loosen up. Stretch your arms if it feels good. Then let them rest. Move any other part of your body that feels tight. Maybe twist your waist a little, wiggle your toes, or stretch your legs. Do what feels natural. Now, find a comfortable position to begin this meditation. You can lie down or sit with your spine erect. Choose the position that feels right for you. Let your body settle into stillness and feel supported by the surface beneath you. Now, we will scan your body. We will start at your feet and move up to your head. Bring your attention to your toes and feet. Notice how they feel. Let them relax completely. Focus to your ankles and calves. Are they tense or heavy? Let them feel soft and at ease. Take your attention to your knees and thighs. Feel their strength. Allow them to relax and become still. Bring your attention to your hips and lower back. Let them sink into the surface beneath you. Let go of any tightness. Feel that the entire lower half of your body is at rest, is at complete rest. Now, move your focus to your abdomen. Notice how it feels as you rest here. Let this part of your body feel light and relaxed. Shift your attention to your chest. Notice the gentle movements of your chest. Let this area feel calm and open. Now, focus on your arms. Start at your shoulders and slowly move down to your hands. Let your arms feel heavy and loose. Let go of any tension in this area. Bring your awareness to your neck. Notice if it feels stiff or tight. Let it soften and relax. Finally, bring your attention to your face and head. Notice your jaw, cheeks, and forehead. Let them soften completely. Feel your whole head relax. Take a moment to notice your whole body. Feel calm and relaxed from head to toe. Feel the peace in your body. Let yourself relax. Feel the stillness and peace within your body. Let this sense of calmness fill your mind and your heart. There's no need to hurry. If you want, you can continue to rest here. If you're ready, bring back your awareness